welcome back to another reselling YouTube video. I'm super excited because I have 4 sales today that I want to ship with you guys, and I've been super MIA because I have been sick with, well, COVID. So I'm feeling a lot better now, and I wanted to come on here and show you guys some of the sales that I've had. I made a goal for myself to sell 30 items, and if I'm correct, I have 5 more to go, and there's 11 more days in the month, so I think I can do it. I'm super excited because I never really make big goals like that for myself, so I'm very excited, and if I can beat that, I will be very, very proud of myself. So I'm just gonna get into showing you guys how I ship my items. Another video that I made, you guys really liked it, so I wanted to make another one. First item that sold was a pair of Old Navy shorts. They were a personal item that I used to have and wear, so that is super exciting that they sold for $16. So I'm going to package those up. I'm going to print the label right now, and I just saw that they're going to Portland, Maine, which is super exciting because I love Portland and I go there every summer. So I love when I get sales from people who, or from places that I've been or know people who live there. I don't know, I just think it's really cool. So I'm just gonna come over here, and right here is my label maker. So I'm just gonna press print, and my label's going to shoot out the other end for me. So super duper cool. So then I come over here, and in these drawers down here I have my poly mailers, and then I have these little thank you stickers that I put on the outside of the package. So that's basically my shipping little station here that I always have my computer hooked up to. And so yeah, now I'm just going to ship this. It's great to have the ring light because you can see if there's any like stains, which there aren't any stains, but there are some pieces that need to be like trimmed, so like loose threads that I want to make sure that I get off before I package them up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lint roll the item. Might be a little bit loud because it's on the paper. Get the shorts all ready to go, and I just fold them nicely. So with shorts, there's always like this like crotch piece here that I always just tuck in like that, and then I just fold in like so. Make sure that this is tied nicely, and then just like that you just package them up. I get this paper from Sam's Club. It's just packing paper. It's by the brand like Duck paper. So I love it. I use it for all my shipping. It's super easy to work with. So then I'm just going to fold them up. Oh, that was the last of that piece. And then, like I said, on the front, I just add in my little thank you note. It just says thanks a bunch for purchasing from my closet. So it just looks like that. Not the cutest, but people like them, and they always leave nice comments about having a little note in there. So I feel like it's nice to receive a note because it makes the person feel like special for ordering from you. I don't know, it would make me feel special. So then I just place that on there, and then I put on the shipping label first so that it's nice and flat and nothing won't get all bumpy. So flat surface to flat surface like so, and then I simply just slide in my item, flip it over, rip, and attach. Make sure all the air is out, and there you have it. There is my first sale. So yeah, there was $16 right there, and I'm gonna go grab the other items. Okay, so this is another item that I sold. It is from the brand Free People. Funny enough, this also sold for $16 as well. So that's kind of funny, 2 sales for the same price. This was an offer that I had sent out to likers, and that was also an offer that I had sent to just an individual person. So I have the shipping label here again. So yeah, I've had this for a while, so I know for people usually it's saturated. Well, not usually, it's becoming saturated. So I was okay with letting it go. I think I paid maybe no more than $4 for it, so I was okay with letting it go for $16 because I've had it for so long, and it's July and I sold a long sleeve top, so no complaining here. So I'm just gonna do the same thing, make sure that there's no stains or rips or tears. Again, most of my items are thrifted, so sometimes I don't catch holes like this right here. I believe this is a hole right here. Is it a hole? Yes, it is. So I'm gonna have to patch that up, which is annoying because then that takes time to do. So I have to go patch this hole up, and I will be right back. Okay, pro tip for all my resellers out there. Okay, here's the tip. Have a thread in absolutely every color you can think of, because you never know when you're gonna find a hole and you're not gonna have time to run to Joann's or to Michael's to grab more thread that's the exact color. So make sure you have a toolbox of all different colored threads, because I was able to fix holes on this shirt, first off, that I didn't even know existed or were there, which is also a little bit frustrating because I'm a little bit on a time crunch right now to get to the post office. So that can be a make it or break it for you to make it to the post office on time. So learn from my mistakes, but also I'm giving you guys a very helpful tip. And that tip is that, what I just said, make sure to always have on hand some tools for fixing your items in case they are flawed, because that is going to happen. So we're just gonna pretend like nothing happened and we're gonna make it on time and everything's okay. So we're gonna get this package up and we're ready to get to its new home with no holes on. I love when I make mistakes like that. It's good that I caught it because, I mean, they were very minor, so like if the buyer caught it, you know, but they would probably try to return it. I mean, I know that I can fix things, so I probably wouldn't return something unless it was like a major hole. But because I know, like, if it had like some kind of disgusting stains on it and like there were rips in places they said there weren't rips and things like that, yeah, I would definitely be returning something. But if it has like small holes, but again, not everybody can fix something, and when you don't disclose that there's holes in something, that can also really frustrate people. I mean, it would frustrate me if I knew I had to like repair something that I bought, you know. I mean, if I knew I was gonna have to repair it, that's fine, but if I didn't know that and then I bought something that said it was in good condition and it wasn't, I'd be a little upset myself. So yeah, that's pretty much what just happened here. But if I was more prepared for my videos, I would already have that fixed and this would be a very smooth video. But because I didn't have that fixed, I had to pause you guys for a moment. But it's all good. We're back on track and I hopefully can make it. Right now it is 3:55. So, oh, and now my camera's gonna die. So this might only be a 2 package order. Oh my goodness, Lauren, you're a mess. It's really hard to film because I'm like checking the label like 15 times to make sure it's like going to the right person because I'm crazy like that. So this next order I have is a pair of Juicy Couture pants. These sold for $25. I had them listed for 40 something. I took a pretty lowball offer, but they have, there's a hole in the crotch area that I did sew up, but I didn't really do that good of a job. And then there was another hole up here, I think in the waist somewhere, which I also repaired, but they were not in the best condition, so I decided just to let go of them. I've had them for a while, so honestly I didn't really care, but they're, you know, I have to lint roll them like crazy because they got a lot of lint and dust and whatnot. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, I am back with the clean pants. They had so much, I don't even know what the heck was on them, or if it was like lint or if it was like, I have no idea. Like, I think everything just keeps getting stuck to them because they're like that velour material. Like so. I think it's because now that I'm like rushing, I'm like freaking out a little bit. Don't package your orders before the post office closes, okay? I think you guys all know that, but silly me. Okay, let's get this ready to its new owner. No more sharing these, having to clean them. We are off to a new home. Okay, so I have to finish the rest on my phone because my camera died. But here are the 3 sales here, and I have another sale that I'm packaging up right now. I'm just kind of cleaning the bottom off. They're a pair of Talbot's shoes, so they are already in the box because they've never really been worn before. They were donated to me by my grandmother, so I'm just cleaning off the bottoms. They're a little bit sticky, and then I'm going to put these in a box, and then I'm going to put them into a box like one of these to keep them nice and safe, and I will be on my way to the post office. So I have it all ready to go. I'm going to finish this off and head to the post office. Alright guys, so off to the post office I go. I hope I can make it. It's 4:30, takes me about 25 minutes to get there, so I really need to leave right now. So this video was kind of all over the place, and I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. So again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.